Hey everyone, Sonic the Hedgehog here. I'm here with Shadow and Knuckles, and today we are watching part 4 of Calling All Engines. So everyone, this is part 4 of Calling All Engines.
Began to break. Thomas was dreaming too. In his dream, he was wondering how he could make things better.
Yeah. So guys, in the last part, the engines got into a fight, and you know, it was just crazy in the last part. Yeah, it sure was. Is that Lady? It is Lady. We haven't seen her since Thomas and the Magic Railroad. Yeah. Oh, there's Rusty. Yep, there's Rusty. Whoa.
We always finish our jobs when we work together.
Oh. I miss Lady. Yeah, me too. I sure hope she returns. Me too, Shadow. Me too. I sure hope she returns.
Exactly what to do.
Oh.
Thomas puffed across the island. He was looking for Mavis.
Oh, Mavis.
Mavis wasn't like the other diesel engines. She was kind.
Yep, she's kind, and she's friendly to Steamies, unlike some of the diesels. Yep.
Thomas needs to find Mavis quickly, but he doesn't know where she is. How can Thomas find Mavis?
Her horn, maybe? She could, Thomas could listen to her horn, maybe?
Perhaps that will help Thomas to find her. Will
Yes.
you help Thomas listen for Mavis's horn?
Of course.
Thomas is wondering where to look first. Where does Mavis work?
At the quarry.
That's right. The quarry. Let's listen with Thomas and see if Mavis is here.
That's a whistle.
Does that sound like Mavis's horn?
No, that's a whistle. That's Percy's whistle.
Percy's whistle. Thomas will have to look somewhere else.
Yeah. Let's look at the docks. Maybe she's at the docks. That's a good idea, Knuckles.
Why don't you listen with Thomas again to see if she's here?
That's a horn, but that's Salty's horn. Yep, that's Salty.
It was a horn, but not Mavis's horn.
It's Salty's
It was
horn.
Salty's horn.
Yep.
Thomas will have to look somewhere else.
Maybe she's having a washdown. Maybe,
she's
Sonic.
having a washdown. Listen with Thomas.
That's Mavis.
That sound like Mavis's horn?
Yep.
Yes, you're right. That did sound like Mavis's horn.
Yep.
But this doesn't look like Mavis.
That was because that was because she was covered in soap suds.
Because she was covered in soap suds.
Yep. All right, we found Mavis. All right.
Couldn't have done it without your help. Thomas
Hi, Mavis.
told Mavis all
Hello,
about
Mavis.
his plan. Thomas wanted the steam engines and the diesels to work together. Mavis agreed. It is the only way to get the airport open.
Yep.
But how will we get all of the engines to work together? Asked Thomas. First, we all need to talk to each other, said Mavis. Then Thomas had an idea. Let's have a big meeting with all of the engines at the coaling plant tomorrow, he puffed.
That's a good idea, Thomas. You're a genius. Yep.
Thomas and Mavis went to see the other engines to tell them all about the meeting.
Yep.
Thomas told Percy.
There's Percy.
Then James.
There's James.
Then Emily.
And there's Emily.
Mavis told Diesel. Then Harry. Then Bert.
Yep.
Soon all the engines on the island knew about the meeting. All
Yep.
the engines except one.
Diesel 10.
Thomas wanted to tell Diesel 10 about the meeting.
You think he'll listen? I hope so. Oh, Diesel 10 scares me. Me too, Knuckles. He scares me a lot.
Thomas got frightened, and he puffed quickly away. He was sure Diesel 10 would never work with the steam
Of course he'll never work with the steamies because he hates steam engines.
Told the engines
Yep.
about the meeting, but it had taken a very long time. Thomas was too tired to go back to Emily's sheds. So that night, Thomas slept outside. He pulled slowly into a siding. The forest was dark, but Thomas's lantern shone brightly. Thomas wanted to tell someone all about his adventures that day, but he only had an hour for.
Oh, there's an owl. Yep.
Emily wondered where Thomas was. He must be staying with Percy, she thought. Emily was pleased. She had the shed to herself again.
Of course.
But without Thomas, it seemed a little too quiet. She missed hearing all about the day. She even missed the sound of Thomas's sleepers.
Oh.
The next morning, all of the engines went to the coaling plant.
Yep. I sure hope the meeting works. Yeah, and I sure hope Thomas's plan works. I kind of hope it on myself, Knuckles. Yeah, me too, Knuckles.
Steamies and diesels came from all over the island.
Yep.
The coaling
Oh, there's
plant was
Daisy.
very busy.
Yep, there's Daisy.
The plant manager was surprised. Why are all the engines here at the same time?
To have a meeting.
So he went to telephone
Yep.
to Topham Hatt.
Oh, there's the Topham
was
Hatt.
sitting
Yep.
down to eat his cream donut.
Oh.
But then the telephone rang. The plant manager told him all about the engines. I'll be there at once, said Sir Topham Hatt.
Alright then.
The engines were waiting to start the meeting.
Yep.
But Thomas was missing. I am sure he'll be here soon, said Mavis.
Yeah.
Thomas was racing through the countryside. He puffed as fast as he could. But he had a long ways to go.
Come on, Thomas. You better get to the coaling plant. Hurry up. Yeah, come on, Thomas. Get to the coaling plant quickly. Yep.
Diesel engines didn't want to wait for Thomas.
Of course, some of them are impatient.
Delayed.
Yep.
This whole mess is the steamy's fault. vouched Bert.
Hey, don't blame the steamies, Bert.
No, it's not.
Yeah.
Percy huffed crossly. The diesel engine started it.
Oh dear.
Made the diesels cross.
Oh dear. Everyone just chill. Everyone just calm down.
The steamies are listening.
Oh no, everyone just calm down. Just calm down.
Finally puffed into the coal.
Oh, thank you. Oh, thank God Thomas is here. Yes, thank the Allspark, he's here.
All of the
Yep,
engines went quiet.
yep,
Steamies and diesels need to work together, chuffed Thomas.
yes.
We don't want to work with stinky steamies, oil diesel. We don't want to work with dirty diesels either, huffed James. If the airport doesn't open, it will be bad for all the engines, puffed Thomas.
Yeah,
Both steam engines and diesel engines need passengers and freight to be useful.
yep,
All of the engines agreed. They knew that Thomas was right.
yep,
They all wanted the airport to open.
yep.
Then Harold the helicopter arrived.
Oh, there's Harold.
He had
Yep.
brought Sir Topham Hatt to the coaling plant. Why are you all here? Sir Topham Hatt asked. Thomas told Sir Topham Hatt all about the meeting. We're going to work together, puffed Thomas, and get
Yep.
the airport open on time.
Alright.
Sir Topham Hatt was delighted.
Yep,
Thomas knows there is a lot to do. But if the steam engines and diesel engines work together, they can get the job done.
yep,
There are jobs for the engines all over Soda. Different engines are good at different things.
yep. Like pulling passengers and
Who
freight.
helped Thomas decide which steam
Yep.
engine should work with which diesel engine?
Sure.
These workmen need to finish painting the Sodor suspension bridge. But the paint is still at the yard. 2 engines need to go and collect it. The yard has is a very tight bend. Mavis is short and can go around tight bends.
Yep.
She needs a short steam engine to help her. Which steam engine do you think should help her? What about Gordon and Henry?
No, they're too big.
Short?
No.
No. They are very long.
Yep, they're long.
Who else could help Mavis? What about Percy?
Yep.
Is he shorter than Gordon?
Yep,
Yes,
he is.
So he can shunt freight cars around tight bends too.
Alright.
Well done. Percy can help Mavis collect the paint and take it to the workman.
Alright.
One steam engine and one diesel engine working together.
Yep.
These workmen all need to be taken to the airport. There are lots of them. Toby will need some help. Which diesel engine do you think could help you?
Daisy?
What about Harry and Bert?
No.
Do they take passengers?
No.
Harry and Bert are good at shunting, but they don't take passengers.
Nope.
Can you see a diesel engine who does take passengers?
Daisy.
Daisy. That's a very good idea.
Yes. Daisy can take
Daisy is a
passengers.
diesel, and she carries passengers.
Yep.
Daisy can help Toby.
Yep.
There goes Toby with some of the workmen.
And here comes Daisy to collect the rest of them.
Take the rest.
Yep.
Another diesel engine and another steam engine are working together.
Yep. Well, everyone, that's it for part 4. Stay tuned for part 5. Goodbye. Bye.